Namaste, today we are making this cute paper heart because why not? So without more ado, let's get started. I've taken an A4 size paper and folding it diagonally from both the ends. You can choose any color paper you want. I've chosen red here, and also please score all the lines properly. After that, hold it from both sides and then push it inwards to form a shape of triangle. Now we need to make 4 folds, 2 upwards and 2 inwards. This one upwards, 1. Two, and 3, the last one. Flip it over and fold this triangle downwards. More than half of the triangle needs to be covered in this fold. Leave the triangle and then fold it inwards 2 times to form a triangle at the base. And then we will push both of these inside the upper triangle. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also check out the description box for more origami videos. Now the last step is to fold both of these flaps slightly diagonally so that it forms a shape of heart, and whatever the extra paper is, put it inside the triangle like we've done before in the same flap. Stay tuned for more such content. See you next time.